Hello guys, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video ito, alamin natin ang 10 pinakamagandang babaeng libero sa Pilipinas sa taong 2024. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Let's go! Ang pang-10 ay si Daniel Rabena. Si Daniel Rabena ay isang libero ng Akari Chargers. Siya ay may edad na 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 5 inches.
Hi, I'm Daniel Lena and I'm playing as a libero and I'm part of the Ateneo Women's Volleyball Team.
Sino ang mabagal kumilos?
Siguro sa
Sino ang pinakamaganda?
Of course! Sige nga, Ate Cindy.
Sino ang may pinakagwapong boyfriend?
Ate Jo, pwede ko.
Ang pang-siyam ay si Sheila Marie Pineda. Si Sheila Marie Pineda ay isang libero ng NX Lead Chameleons. Siya ay may edad na 33 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 5 feet and 6 inches.
Up. Gala. What a diving dig there for Bang Pineda. Marciano again. Blocked. On the other side. They go to Victor.
On the side of the Creamline Pool Smashers, that ball was high, but no one on the side of Creamline actually took charge to get the first shot.
Ang pang-8 ay si Laicami De Leon. Si Laicami De Leon ay isang libero ng De La Salle Lady Spikers. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 1 inch.
Of DLSU. But now it's just not saying it's a bad thing. Not saying it's a bad thing. It's just a collective effort among all the players. Devosora tries, popped up by Madaluan, Coronel to Canino, she's blocked. De Leon, Bobset to Canino again. And she points to the landing. And Patrice Davao, let's hear from her from the side.
Ang pang-7 ay si Don Nicole Macandili. Si Don Nicole Macandili ay isang libero sa Signal HD Spikers. Ang kanyang edad ay 28 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet. Ang pang-6 ay si Angelica Reyes. Si Angelica Reyes ay isang libero ng UE Lady Red Warriors. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 2 inches.
Masensya na! Hi, my name is Angelica Reyes, the libero of Lady Warriors. Ipapakalala ko sa inyo ang idol ko. Ang idol ko ay si Kat Arado. As you can see sa loob ng court, super ang ganda ng fighting spirit ni Ate Kat. Super sipag kumuha ng bola. Anywhere, kahit mapalayo yung bola or what, as work ng athlete, libero. So, lahat talaga sa kanya. Thankful ako for naging senior ko siya kahit hindi ko siya naabutan sa college. Thank you, Ate Kat, and hope to see you soon.
Ang pang-5 ay si Jake Yonela. Si Jake Yonela ay isang libero ng Signal HD Spikers. Ang kanyang edad ay 33 years old. Ang kanyang height ay 4 feet and 11 inches.
Hi guys, this is Jack Janela of the Signal HD Spikers, and check out what's inside my bag. Inside my bag, I have my 2 phones, my rosary, and my novena. First aid kits, ice bag, and what you do, and everything else is in detail. Wala lang, everyday reading lang. Food for the mind, food for the brain. And I'm Jack Janela, and that's what's inside my bag.
Ang pang-apat ay si Romami Doromal. Si Romami Doromal ay isang libero ng Capital One Solar Spikers. Ang kanyang edad ay 23 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 5 inches.
Hi, I'm Romami Dormal from the Ateneo Blue Eagles. These are my 5 bucket lists. First, travel the world with my loved ones. Second, go for skydiving. Third, go to Taylor Swift concert. Fourth is to see the Northern Lights. And then my last bucket list for my bucket list is to give my family a good life.
Ang pangatlo ay si Dindin Lazaro. Si Dindin Lazaro ay isang libero ng Creamline Coal Smashers. Ang kanyang edad ay 32 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 5 inches. Ang pangalawa ay si Jennifer Nerva. Si Jennifer Nerva ay isang libero ng Chiritigo Crossovers. Ang kanyang edad ay 24 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 4 inches.
I'm Jennifer Nerva. You can call me Jen, from National University, jersey number 9. There is no significant reason behind my jersey number, but when I entered NU, the first number that I really wanted was number 8 because it's my birth date. But then, Ate Jorel Singh was using that number, so I had to adjust. So, ang ginawa ko na lang ay kinuha yung available number, which is number 9. So, that's the reason behind my jersey number. I'm libero. Height is 164 cm. Weight, 61 kilograms. I graduated in National University Nazareth School in high school. My go-to volleyball move is the jump set and the rolling. My goal is to lead my teammates, and whenever they think of somebody na palaging nandyan sa kanila, gusto ko ako yung maaalala nila. Biggest inspiration, my family, because ever since I started playing volleyball, sila talaga yung naniwala at sumuporta sa akin.
Ang pinakauna ay si Ditdit Pipito. Si Ditdit Pipito ay isang libero ng UST Golden Tigresses. Ang kanyang edad ay 21 years old. Ang kanyang height ay umabot sa 5 feet and 3 inches. So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video ito, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, likes, comment, and share para sa sunod na video ng aking i-upload. Thank you very much.